Before I go, there's some good news for Hobart Hurricanes fans. With confirmation today, West Indian all-rounder Hayley has re-signed for this year's WBBL, Bruce.
Great news, Ames. Thank you. And speaking of Hayleys, we have one joining us in the studio now. Hayley Francis returns with weather and showers possible for the state tomorrow. Hales.
Good evening, Bruce and Amy. That's right. These will most likely develop about the north late morning before extending to the east by the afternoon. I'll have all the details next.
This report brought to you by Sporty Feature Pack Mazda 3. It's time to own it.
Well, conditions were unusually dry across the state today and temperatures were a couple of degrees above the November average in most places. This weather photo tonight is thanks to Bob, who snapped this from Alona on Bruny Island. Remember, if you would like to share a photo, you can send it through to tasweather@windnetwork.com.au. Taking a look around the state today, Devonport struggled to stretch beyond the teens and topped out at just 19 degrees by mid-afternoon. St Helens 20 degrees the top, 22 for Launceston. Swansea the same there, and then further south, Oatlands 19 degrees, and Hobart took the prize for the warmest spot in the state with a top of 24 degrees around lunchtime. On the satellite and synoptic, a high over the Tasman Sea directs a northeasterly flow over Tasmania ahead of an approaching trough and cold front. This trough will cross Tasmania later tomorrow and the front will weaken before crossing on Wednesday morning. Onto the waters. In the north, cloudy with a westerly swell below 1 metre. For the east, northerly winds at 15 to 20 knots. In the south, seas below 1 metre, increasing to 2 metres in the morning. And for the west, possible showers and north to northeasterly winds up to 30 knots. A strong wind warning is in place for coastal waters tomorrow. Also a small craft alert for the Central Plateau Lakes. Taking a look at the forecast for tomorrow, fine until light showers develop about elevated parts of the north and west late morning, becoming more frequent about the west by the evening. Northerly winds tending northwesterly will freshen in the afternoon. Interstate tomorrow for Sydney, mostly sunny about tomorrow and a possible shower for Adelaide. And looking ahead back home for Burnie, conditions remaining cloudy for the next few days with just the slight chance of a shower ahead. For Launceston, cloud clearing a little by midweek, a possible shower on Friday, and for Hobart, showers developing by Wednesday and a dip in temperatures by late in the week. So conditions not staying too dry for long, Bruce.
Thanks so much for that, Hayley. We'll leave you tonight with vision from Remembrance Day in Tasmania.
This has been a Win News presentation. Win News, Regional Australia's #1 news source.